everybody, Gagajoy. I'm so glad you came today. Today we're going to be making one of the new things going around, and it's crack burgers. And it really does look good, but they're different. And it's a very simple thing. It's just hamburger. A pound of hamburger, half a cup of bacon. Be sure to get it real shined up real fine. And a third of a cup of sour cream. That's a little different. And a package of ranch seasoning. And a cup of cheese. I'd say that's a good cup. Yeah. And a couple of pieces I didn't. Yeah. I'm going, that's cheap. That's a cup. And then just combine it. Let me cut this on. I'm going to try to do it on my kitchen grill. My hands are very clean, believe me. And rather, you can do it outside grill. You can do it in a skillet, I guess. I was just afraid I wouldn't have enough room in the skillet. So I thought I'd just do it with this. And everybody just raves. I mean, they go, really? Oh, my gosh. So I thought, well, we might as well try it. It does sound good. Which is about what most burgers are, I think, anymore. So that's about right. You know, sometimes when there's nothing else that I want to eat, I still love to fix a hamburger. And you almost have to fix them at home anymore, as expensive as they are when you go out. Well, let's see. Maybe look a little bit bigger. Now let's shape them up a little bit. I did put a little bit of olive oil on my grill because this is 88-12. I really like a 80-20 when I'm cooking hamburgers, but this one was 88-12, so there's not much grease in it. And I didn't want them to stick. Well, just give them 7 minutes on each side. While they're frying, we'll make the sauce for them. It's just a little mustard. At your discretion, how much, if you're a good mustard, like mustard. That's about a tablespoon of mustard. One, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And a couple drops of hot sauce, if you want to. If you want to. Okay. Well, now we need to add the rest of our cheese. Can't get too much cheese and deli on this. Toaster done. We're about ready. It smells good, that's one thing. I think we're ready. Use this, it's a little bit easier. And yes, they are double deckers. Well, they look awfully good. Now, at this point, you can add onions or lettuce or tomatoes and pickles. There's a little green, maybe a pickle would be good. Also, I don't know how you get your mouth around this, so I didn't go for the toppings. It's going to be hot. And you notice I didn't put salt in it because of the bacon and the cheese has always got salt in it. So I did not put salt. If you feel like you need salt later, of course do that. It's good and done. It's 7 and 7 on each side. Okay. I want to touch it. I want to take a bite, but I'm afraid it's going to be too hot. Also, they suggest that you let it get a crust on it, on your hamburger. And I did. All my hamburgers have crust on them. Okay. That's good. I've got to say, that's good. I think I'd like a little bit of onion on it, but lettuce and tomato, no. Oh, that is so good. Well, that's a winner. Every now and then you come across them, but sometimes you don't. So we'll just go with them. But anyway, it was something good to try, and it was one of those things that, that's worth trying. Well, I hope you do try it. It'll be something your kids or grandchildren would enjoy. I do. I'll save mine for my son that's coming this evening. I can warm it up. So take care of yourself. Beautiful day here. I'm so glad it's spring. I've got my little onions planted and tomatoes and peppers. Yep, this is my time of the year. I love this time of year. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, because we sure have a lot to be thankful for. I'll see you soon. Bye.